This smartwatch is named Conquer, and it'll conquer about anything. You saw it there in the always-on digital display. There's an analog one as well. And here we are in one of the mini watch faces, an integrated one with heart rate right on the screen. When you swipe down, you have access to basic controls like Bluetooth calling. Yep, that's in this watch, along with a really nice music player and loudspeaker. You got Do Not Disturb, your overall brightness, 800 nits if you want. My goodness, it's easy to see outdoors. Come up, you got notifications sent from your phone. You got your daily activity information with charts and all kinds of stuff, daily comparisons. You've got heart rate information in here. You've got blood oxygen. You've got stress levels. Whoo, you got me excited. Look at that. You got last night's sleep time, the charts there, the breakdowns there, all of it's right on the watch. You got the ability to import your weather directly from the app when you got it paired, and you got a music player in here and other cards and things that you can add to it too. When you tap the side button, you get into all these different controls here. Daily activities, Bluetooth calling, workouts, blood pressure. You've got, again, weather, workout records, and voice assistant, your Siri and Google. Stopwatches in here, and we found out it runs in the background. It's still running from last time we did this. Cool. You've got countdown timers. You got a torch for a flashlight. Ladies, even the calendar of your cycle information is on this watch. Really nice. Buttons will let you get into all of your activities, and of course, it's a twirlable knob too when you're in your information that you can play with as well. So it's a very nice ruggedized Bluetooth calling smartwatch with AMOLED screen, and it's available right now. It's called the Conquer. Check it out.